let your mood swing. Yeah, shawty my, boo, think you think.
So I just left home. I'm going to the beach. Maybe just watch the sunset or something. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to the beach. So see you guys when I get to the beach. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I was working all day today and my finger hurt so bad. I burnt my finger last night. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can you see it right there? So last night I was lighting a candle, right? And I was out of matchsticks. So I was trying to use like a little plastic thing. I had one candle lit. Okay, I was trying to light 2 candles. So I lit one with the only matchstick that I had. And then I attempted to like use the plastic thing and dip it in the fire and then light the other candle. It was successful, but after I lit the candle and I took the plastic thing out, the candle thing, the plastic melted. It had melted and it dripped. The plastic dripped on my hand, and it was so bad that the plastic had already like melted into my skin. So love that for me. So I had to wait until it like dried and became solid, and I had to like peel it off my skin. So now I have a burn spot, but whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the beach. That's my little burn story. Who cares? So you guys, I'm back home from the beach and I'm about to have dinner. So I made some salmon, some garlic mashed potatoes, and a little salad, some spinach and some tomatoes, and I put a little bit of Italian dressing on it. And I also sauteed some purple onions, some corn, and some mushrooms. So that's what I'm about to have for dinner. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to eat and watch some Netflix. Yeah. So I'm on my way to my nail appointment. Y'all remember these nails that I got in my the vlog when I went on the hike? I still have these. It's 3 weeks later. Yeah, you guys, I still have these nails. So I'm about to go to the nail salon and get a fresh set. And I did a poll on Instagram and I was asking like if I should do like a French set or baby pink, and everybody voted for baby pink. So I'm gonna do that. I think I want to get like some butterflies on my nails. I don't know, I'll figure all that out when I get by Diana. Hello, welcome back to the vlog. It's Friday and I have to run some errands today. Well, not really run some errands, but I have to go to the hardware store because I have to get like material to do the wiring for the shop. I don't know if y'all remember the shop, but in like a few vlogs ago I mentioned that I was building an at-home studio salon. I'm still doing that, so I have to do that today. And then later tonight I'm going out with some friends to get drinks. I mentioned that in my last vlog, which is actually going up right now. It's like what? It's at 56%. So I'm uploading that as we speak. And you guys, my hair look crazy. I look like a boo-boo dread. Let's just be honest. And I don't like that. And some of my dreads look horrible. Even though they're stale, I don't mind that. But some of them just look really horrible. And I'm looking down this way because I'm looking at the mirror. But y'all see that? I mean, natural, but some of them look really horrible. And I saw one the other day that was looking like really rough. Like I could see like the plait that I did underneath. That was, look at me. Yeah, so the plaits, okay, look at this. Like this is the plait, this is my hair underneath and it's poking out. So let me just clip this one right now before we lose it, so that I can remember. So I'm taking them down. I'm not taking all of them down. Let me just make that clear. So I'm taking down the ones that look really, oh, and there's one in the back that, look at this, look at my hair, like look at this. I'm pretty sure if I leave it like this, it wouldn't look like really horrible or anything. Is my battery died? Oh no, it's fine. So this one also, you know what, I actually feel like it don't look horrible now. It give it like a little character. Should I leave it or should I take it out? I think I'm gonna leave it because I might wear my hair down later, so it's not gonna show anyways. So yeah, I'm just gonna take down the first row just because, and I'm probably gonna take this out after this weekend. Should I? The thing is, I don't want to take it down, but then some of them look really bad, and I think it's because I did them really loose. Look at this. This is my hair peeking out through here. So yeah, I'm gonna just take down the horrible looking ones and then fix them up. So yeah, oh you guys, this is how my nails came out. So this is what they look like. I got like a short square, gorge, right? And then on this finger I got like a little butterfly. You can see that. Love that. So it's just like a baby pink. Yeah, I think I may have just cut my hair, you know. I really, can you just come out so I can see? Ooh, I cut my hair. Okay, you know what, let's just consider it a trim, I guess. Wow. Let me assess the damage. It's just a little bit that came off, but it still got like a nice little, look at this. Wow, I cut this side as well. Hello. So it's later. It's later today. I don't know what time it is. Oh, it's 1:23. I don't have my phone with me, so I can't do a good time check because my video is upload. Who does that? My video is uploading at home on my phone, and I didn't want to like leave the Wi-Fi because it's been uploading since last night, to be honest, and it's still taking forever to go up. So yeah, you guys, hardware store, and yeah, I've been using something to clear up my skin, and it's giving me like this weird like thing around my nose. I don't know, but anyways, we can always cover that up with makeup. My skin is looking good. So yeah, I'm on my way to the hardware. Oh fuck, babe, I forgot the list. Yeah, I was on my way, but I have to turn back because I forgot the list of things that I got from the electrician guy. So I'm gonna get that. And I haven't eaten all day, so I made a wrap, a shrimp wrap. So I'm gonna have that now, and I'll see you guys when I get to veg. We had to go back for the list, like the list of materials that the electrician guy gave me. So while we were going back for that, I started eating my shrimp wrap, and all the sauces dripped onto my shirt, so I had to do like a top change. So that's why I'm wearing this pink top. And guess what? We already left home again and realized that we don't have the list again. So we turned back a second time. So yeah, this time I'll see you guys when I get to the hardware store, for real, for real. Woohoo! You guys, I just made it to the hardware store, and I have to find the electric department, which is right over here. Found it, found it. We good. Hello. Good day. I have a list of things that this electrician guy gave me, so I don't know if I can get them here. Hello. I need something simple and cheap because it's just outside. I don't need anything fancy, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. This is just like $35. This one is $99.89. So yeah, babe, it's the cheap one for me. Now we're making strides. This is the only place that I literally come and I leave with 10 things, but I spend $1,000. Wow, love that for me. So we're making progress, you guys. I actually got everything on my list. The only thing that I don't have is the fixture for this, so maybe I can go somewhere else today. Hello. So we're heading out. It's actually, what time is it? Why is your phone saying, why is your car saying it's 11:11? Wow. Hey y'all, so Teresa just got to pick me up, so we just left home, and yo, we very far. We literally live like all the way on the other side of the island from where we're going. We're actually going to Simply Coffee for drinks, and I think it's happy hour. Yeah. So we're gonna get some nice cheeky drinks and get nice. But yeah, so it's me and Teresa in the car, if I didn't mention. Teresa, say hi to my vlog. Hello. So yeah, we're going to Simply Coffee to get some nice drinks, and we're late, and I hope Rochelle gets there just so that we don't look so late, because she's supposed to be out getting her hair done actually. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when we get to Simply Coffee and when the drinks start rolling in. So yeah, guys. Wow, I know you look good. Wow, my dress still have the tag. Can you take it off for me? Say hi to my vlog. Yeah, this is my sister. Yeah, you look good, man. Let me see your shoes. Okay, you're match.
think you have a cutout.
What make you flex like you're high?
You don't think you have a cutout.
You fried out?
At least wait, you don't want to damage the dress.
Yeah, I still have a whole tag in my. Okay, got it. Wow. Thank you. Seated. Oh, my battery's blinking already. Thank you. So my battery's already blinking. I need to get a drink in like ASAP. Wow, drinks in here. Is this mine? I think that's mine. Oh, that looks good. I should have had that. Huh? Yeah, cheers. Cheers, cheers, cheers. I'm back outside with like little COVID. Is this COVID still active? No, it doesn't. Huh? No? I don't think this is what I ordered. Yeah, we ordered passion drink. And we got watermelon. And then I was about to tell this man that she's allergic to watermelon. What real? I was just about to take her out, but okay, bitches. It's fine. Let's take the shot. I hope this tastes like what I'm expecting it to taste. You taste it first. Taste this. That's more like it. It's good. You like it? Huh? It's like when you just drink it, it's like before you even get to the mouth and you breathe it, you can get the passion. Yeah, the watermelon is not. And I was actually saying that, oh, I like that watermelon because I'm wearing pink and watermelon do match. So yeah, we're doing a drink check. We're doing a cocktail check. So I've had 2 and my third cocktail is on the way. Jerisa, how much drinks you had? 5. Bitch, stop lying. I'm sorry. How much? 2? Janice, how much drinks you had? 1. Maria, how much drinks you had? So I'm on number 3, guys, and I feel absolutely fucking amazing. I'm about to have number 3. I don't know why I have the camera so close to my face, but I feel like you guys can hear me a whole lot better if I hold the camera all the way up to here. So yeah, we're just having like a really good time, and yeah, I'm waiting for my drink to come. That's all I kind of want. Like as long as my drink comes, I can get my last drink, and we can head out. She says she now wearing her underwear. It's Monday. I'm still in bed, obviously. I haven't brushed my teeth or washed my faces yet, so I'm proud of that. But I'm working today. I just think that I should come in and check with you guys and let you know that I'll be missing from like 9 a.m. all the way down until maybe 4. But I'm working today, so yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. Oh, I may go to the beach. Like, I may go get some lunch or something, like a late lunch, and have it on the beach with my boyfriend. So that's what I might do today. I don't have any other plans. Maybe if I finish work in time, I might have like a little time to go look for this light fixture that I've been looking for this whole entire vlog. So yeah.
calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right.
I just got my lashes done, as you guys can see. I just got my lashes done by Summer. As usual, as you already know by now, eyelash, eyebrow pro on the lashes. Oh, and also the brows, of course. So yeah, I know I said I was gonna vlog yesterday and I was gonna go to the beach and all that, but my plans had changed because my client came really late. So I worked until like 6, 7 o'clock, and that was unreasonable. That didn't make no sense to go to the beach at that time. I'd probably been skinny dipping, but yeah, whatever. So I just got my lashes done, and this is what they look like. I got my volume set again. I got a refill because my lashes were looking really scarce. So I'm gonna go get some food, and then I'm just gonna go home.
Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a...
Yes, please.